Your name?
Cedric Hayden, the father of the deceased Cedric Hayden.
Okay. How are you feeling about everything that's gone on so far? It's a silly question. Forgive me.
I feel messed up. I feel hurt. I feel destroyed. And I think they think this is a game. This is not a game to me. This is my son. His life was taken from him for no reason at all. And this is not a game. I don't think we're going to get judged because they keep playing cancel in court. And that's not right.
I know you.
This man go home every day to his family.
Every day.
Every day. He get to hold his family. I can't hold my son. I hold his memories, but I can't hold my son. This man going home every day, get to go home today again. And that's not right.
I know you and your family have been very upset about the manslaughter charges instead of murder.
Not gonna work.
Hurt, upset. That's ridiculous. If my son had killed 2 cops, he would never come home. If I heard, I would never come home. This man is a cop. Just because he's a cop, he get to go home? That's not right. How can we call justice if justice ain't for everybody? I don't believe in justice no more. I can't believe in it because it's like it's two-sided. And that's not right. There's corruption in the city of Warren, and we need to get it stopped. My son needs to be justified. I'm here for him.
This is a very broad question, but what would you like to see happen?
This man go to jail. Just like my son would have went to jail. He killed 2 people that I love. Juan needs to be justified and my son to be justified. They need to go to jail. You did something ridiculous. You can't explain to me how you flying down Shayner, going over 100 miles an hour, killing people. You're not chasing nobody. So what were you doing? Because if my son would have been doing, he's drunk. Y'all keep trying to slander my son. He wasn't drunk. What was this man on? He wasn't on no call. He's just flying down Shayner. So was he drunk? Y'all not speaking on that, but you keep saying my son was drunk. My son was not drunk. And that's not right.
Can you tell us more about the relationship between the 2 guys? They were
They were best friends. They were best friends that grew up together. He came into my life because of my son. We all was a family. And now we're doing nothing but going home, minding his own business. And the police hit him. And that's not right. And they can't explain to me why.
Have you had a chance to talk to the prosecutors, and what are they telling you?
Cancellation. Talk to you later. We're investigating. Every day you investigate for something you already seen, it happened. What you investigating? That's all we keep. We don't get nothing from them.
What is that?
Okay.
The update that the judge is considering. The judge is considering whether or not he's going to recuse himself, which he should have recused himself from the beginning because he spent time with that officer and the officer's family, holidays, vacations, and everything. He should have never been on this case in the first place. He should have recused himself in the beginning, and now they're going to say, oh, they're going to think about whether they're going to file the motion. The prosecutor going to say he's going to think about filing the motion, but the prosecutor supposed to be for the family, and they not representing our family, and our kids is gone. They not representing us, and it's not fair. It's not fair. They need to do their job. All we want is them to be fair. All we want is justice, and it's not fair.
They have to talk to their
And please, what is your name, ma'am?
Zenobia, and this.
How do you spell Zenobia?
I don't want to spell my name, sir.
Y'all pushing me in this kid. How you
Hi,
doing?
I'm Nick. Nice to meet you. I'm so sorry.
Thank
Are you Juan's or?
I'm Cedric Hayden Jr.'s mother.
Okay. What do you think about what happened in court today?
It's not fair today. They keep postponing. The judge needs to recuse himself. They not recuse himself. Everybody is friends with each other. So we just want a fair trial, and they keep having us keep coming back for no reason. This our 3rd time. We don't have no answers. We don't have anything. He's still out on bond. And my brother and my nephew is not here. They not here. Where's our justice? We need justice. We need for them to recuse themselves and do it right.
What is your name, ma'am?
Teresa Ford.
How do you spell Teresa?
T-H-E-R-E-S-A.
Gotcha. Okay, can we step a little further back? Okay, sorry about that. So I wanted to ask you too, I know your family has been you've been pushing for more charges instead of just manslaughter.
Yes.
Why? Forget my question, but why do you want that to happen?
Because he killed 2 people. He killed 2 people for manslaughter. He's supposed to be in there for murder, if not first, second degree. This is not right. If they would be locked up, been locked up. So why is this man still at home? I'm not understanding that.
He was
Is
illegally
this a
driving.
racial issue? Is it an economic? What do you think
I
it is?
have no idea, but it feels racial to me. It's an issue. It's an issue. And it might not be racial, but to me it feels racial. Because if he was a white man, he'd be out like he was. But my son would have been under the jail if he killed that police officer. We not understanding why y'all keep letting him be out. Y'all not giving us what we need. We need justice for these kids. That's all we want. That's it. They have kids out here that they left behind. They don't care about that. They want to keep shutting us up. No, it's time for us to talk, and we're going to talk loud and proud, and we're going to get our justice. We definitely going to get it.
God said so.
That's
Okay,
right.
so from your perspective, are you representing both families?
We are.
Okay.
So when we talked to you, when we filed the lawsuit against the officer and against the City of Warren Police Department, we said this was going to happen. We said this was going to happen. We said that the officers were going to be undercharged, and they were. The Officer Burke, former Officer Burke, was undercharged. He should have been charged with second-degree murder. And this has happened before with members of the community that weren't police, that weren't backed by the blue, were charged with second-degree murder. That man was out on $1 million bond. This man here today, this former officer, no bond, personal recognizance. This is not okay. We knew this was going to happen, and today we are here for justice. We stand together, and we're going to fight. We are going to fight for justice for these 2 men. They deserve better, and we are seeing delay tactics. This is not okay. You will hear from us again, and we will fight.
What are your thoughts on this idea of recusal?
Absolutely. And here's the thing. Nothing is stopping the prosecutor's office other than backing the blue from filing a motion right now. Today. It's an easy motion. It's an easy motion. You file the motion for recusal and change venue to get justice for the families.